Today I'm going to be making a barbecue peach chicken marinade. Dinners are usually really hard for me. I'm a mom of 2 little boys and I never really seem to be able to get dinner on the table. So today I'm trying something new. If you are struggling with getting dinner on the table too, I highly recommend marinating some meat. I'm just going to throw it in the air fryer and make that for dinner. I am making Leslie's recipe, so I'll link it here. I work for her. My in-laws just gave us a ton of peaches, so that's why I specifically chose this recipe. So I cut up a peach in about a half and put that in here. The recipe calls for peach preserves, but that's gonna have to do. Now for barbecue sauce, okay, there we go. I'm doing a few substitutions for this, so we'll see how it turns out. It wants 2 minced garlic cloves, but I have these that were in my freezer, so I'm just gonna do about a tablespoon. There we go. And then the recipe calls for Dijon mustard. I don't have any, I just have yellow, so that's gonna do. We don't have any apple cider vinegar or lemon or lime juice, so we're just gonna take that out. I'm gonna use coconut oil, tablespoon of that. And I absolutely love this little sprayer, and I actually got it on TikTok, so get it right here. I absolutely love it. It sprays and you can pour from it. Now, a teaspoon of smoked paprika. I have a big bag of this stuff. There's 1 and 2, because I have a half teaspoon. Now for salt, I use Redmond real salt. We're actually out of onion powder. I'm ordering that from Azure, so that'll be here soon, but I don't have any at the moment. And some pepper. Now that we have that all in here, I'm gonna go ahead and mix it up. And now it says to take out 1/4 cup to brush on later. I just tried that and it's actually really good. Now I'm gonna add my chicken. I just went with boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Oh, I hate meat. Okay. I have a thing with meat. I think that's why I don't cook it a lot. So I'm just using tongs. All right. There we go. I don't know, whatever. Now I'm gonna go like triple wash my hands. All right. Okay. And now we just mix everything together. Now we have some marinated chicken. Could be for the freezer. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in the fridge and let it marinate for a few hours, and then I'll cook this up for dinner. And this was super easy. I've seen so many people do this before, and I don't know why I haven't done it myself, because that was so easy. Now I just have to take it out after it's done marinating, put it, I'm just gonna air fry it, and it'll be ready to eat. Even though I haven't done the full process yet, this part was super easy. I love you guys so much, but Jesus loves you so much more.